install your BlackVue. It comes with the box, and then there's the dash cam and the DC in connectors. You can connect the DC in already, and which comes to that right there, which you just plug into the cigarette lighter. And then the camera one goes to that. I just hide it under the seat as well, and then route it up to the camera, which is right there. And that's literally it. It'll be on and you're good to go. You just plug this into the box, and then plug the camera in. And then if you have the rear one, which I do, you just gotta route the wire all the way back to the rear one, which is really easy on the Mustang. You just peel this back a little and you just push the wires in there. Okay, so when installing it, I pull this down, lens in the center, and then you just turn that and push. Hold it there for like a good minute, 30 seconds. Another thing that's going to make the install process a lot easier would be to get a hanger so that you don't have to take off all the panels. You just take off a few. Like what I did here was I just took off that panel right there. And then if you look back there, that's gonna be hard to see, but there's a hole right over there that I can fit the hanger right through. Okay, so you take this panel off. All you really need is that little plastic tool, which I honestly don't remember where I put it. I'm probably sitting on it. Yep. So all you really need is this little plastic tool. You pry this panel off right here, and you just pull out that way, like towards the driver, I guess. Yeah, towards the driver. And then there's this little tab that was in here, right there. You just turn it so this slides out, and then you turn it so that slides out. And then you want to put the clothes hanger in there, and it'll slide all the way down. And if you can't find it, you see it right there. But if you can't find it, all you gotta do is move it around, and you'll see it. See it right there? Moving. And then you just gotta pull that out. Boom. And that's done. Then you just get some electrical tape and you tape the camera power wire to that clothes hanger, and then you just pull it up slowly, making sure it's not getting caught. Once you get it out, you just then route it to your camera. You don't even need to pull the roofing down, you can just slide the wire back there. And then if you have the back wire for the camera, you can do what I did. So I slid it through here, and then when I got back here, I dropped it back and passed it. There's just magnets back here that hold the roof on. So you pull it down and the magnet will, see, it just clicked back. And I just stuck my hand through there. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and have a good day.
Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up.
Go!
Hey, well, my niggas who be thinking we soft, we don't.
And we say bye-bye.